Hello guys, this is Dal and today is the 9th day of communication challenge. We always practice in some days before few days I am just starting my preparation, English speaking preparation with the shooting videos on any topic, storytellings like that. It is not about to improve our communication skills, it's also develop our personality, how to communicate them, how to describe them through mind. I have not written any scripted, whatever I know about that, and I just talk to it. Okay, so the today topic is the road. How road help us, how it saves our time, and how it can be helpful in future. So we'll discuss on about this. So road are not the shape of concretes. It's not only the shapes of concrete. It's the future of our transportations, or you can say the transportation. It becomes easy. You can imagine where the roads are not constructed completely, or you can see the proper roads. There are lots of issues, like it takes very much time to transport some things. Imagine if there is no national highways, what will be done? The transportation will be stuck. Even we see that in traffics also gets, in some traffics we get we have to waste very much of a lot of times because of the traffic. Or can you imagine what will be the happen when there is no road or no proper road? The transportation will be delayed and the inflammation will be increases. The importance of road is not only the for the passengers, it's also for the transportation. It will not, I think, that much affect that people, laymen, but it will affect everyone by indirectly the transporting delays, that's which can cause the increase in petrols, in foods, or etc. anything which are transported. So road is not about to only for walk, for running, for driving. It is which is a destination, which is a path where I get it helps to get my destination. So guys, this is the importance of road, how it saves our time. So in today era, there are many of national highways which becomes the transportation too much easy. So roads are not even there are too much bikes, cars are produced day by day, not because of the everyone wants because the transportation is become easy. So nowadays the transportation is become easy, so that everyone wants to buy their cars irrespective of them, whatever they have budget. The roads are not only the concrete shapes, it provides us our destination, which helps to give to become a traveler. So that's for all, and wrap up this videos. Thank you. Okay.